This is part 3 of a 3-part series on how to navigate your Excel spreadsheet without using your mouse. We're going to cover everything that wasn't covered in video 1 and video 2. Let's dive into it right now. We're going to get started with a quick way to sum a bunch of cells. Go to the bottom of the cells that you want to sum and press Alt-Enter. And Excel inserts a sum formula for all the cells above it. Again, that's just Alt-Enter, and Excel inserts a sum formula. Now it also works horizontally as well. So Alt-Enter over here, it sums it to the side. Continuing on the fast formula track, we're going to show you how to enter a formula quickly. So we're going to enter a VLOOKUP formula, so $V, and start typing it out. Now, Excel tells you what it thinks you're typing. It thinks you're typing a VLOOKUP. So rather than continuing to type the word VLOOKUP, just press the Tab button, and Excel completes it for you, and you're ready to start entering values. So we're going to look up 9. So again, equals, start typing out the formula. When you see it, press Tab, and Excel will auto-complete that for you. So what if you're doing a sum formula where there's a lot of different options? Well, you can just arrow key down to which one you want. So we want to sum ifs, Tab, and Excel auto-completes it. That'll save you a lot of time rather than typing out the full name of each formula every time. Let's Excel complete it for you using the Tab key. Now, let's say we want to make an edit to this cell. How do we get into the cell using our keyboard? Well, you press the F2 button, and the F2 button opens up the formula and allows you to key over to edit different parts of it. So we can say we don't want to look up 10, we want to look up 2, enter, and it'll change. So F2 gets you in, but what if we make a mistake and we delete something, we don't know what to do? Escape just gets you right out of the cell, keeps everything the same. So F2 lets you get in the cell, and if you screw up and you delete stuff that you shouldn't delete, just press the escape key and you go back to normal. Now the final thing we're going to learn about is a key on the keyboard that I like to call the right click button. Now a standard keyboard, here's where it is. Oftentimes the right click button is on the lower right corner of the keyboard, right next to the control key, and on some laptops it is the control key and you have to press FN and control to get to the right click button. It's still worth it. There's a lot of cool things you can do with the right click button. So to show you that, we're going to highlight this section of data. We're going to scroll over to the next column, and we're going to press the right click button. And as you can see, it's just like a right click on your mouse. It lets you arrow key over to all the different parts. Now, we're not going to go through everything you can do, but you can filter, you can sort, you can format. There's a lot of, you can cut, you can copy, there's a lot of different options. What we're going to do is up in the paste options, we're going to pan over to formatting. We're going to press enter, and we just pasted the formatting for the last cell. So again, the right click button lets you do a lot of different cool things without taking your hands off the keyboard. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching part 3 of how to navigate Excel
without using your mouse. If you missed part 1 and part 2, I encourage you to go back and check those out. And if you like what you saw today, head on over to howtoanalyst.com and sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive content like this delivered straight to your inbox. That's howtoanalyst.com. Thanks for watching.